I've built this SaaS product with AI. It's the first SaaS that I've ever released. It's actually a very basic product, but it is very valuable. And the entire thing has been built with AI. I've not had to write a single line of code. And I'm going to show you exactly how I've done it. Now, I've been using this tool called Replit, where you can basically talk to it like ChatGPT. So you can see right here an entire log of conversation that I have had with Replit agent. Now, in Replit, you have an agent and then you have an assistant. The assistant runs on Claude 3.5. And if I show you the product I've actually built, what you can basically do is you can find micro content creators, bloggers, anyone that produces content on TikTok or Instagram. So what I'm going to do is create an account right now. I'm going to use a fake username and password. So I'm just going to do something like, I don't know, MattBell1. Let me do MattBell12345 6 because I've done so many of these tests now. I'm going to do Matt123 at, and I click on create account. Now, what I do is I create this account, and you can see right here that I am limited to 3 searches. So basically I say, hey, I want to go on Instagram right now, and I want to find people who produce content around fashion. And one of the ways to find a certain type of content creator is by entering the keyword UGC. So I'm going to do UGC, which basically means user generated content. I'm going to do fashion, and I could put in here London. And so then it will only find me content creators who talk about fashion that are based in London. So I click on search creators right here. And this tool is now scraping Google to find this information. And it will present the results to me in this table below. So you can see right here. So I've got all these emails. And if I scroll down, I can add these people to a list. Now, because this is a brand new account, I don't yet have any lists. And I'll show you how it works in a second. I can also export these emails. And you can see right here that it has already calculated how many searches I've had. Now on this page right here, I can create a new list. So I can do fashion bloggers. And you can see I've already tried this previously. If I click on create, I now have that list, and then I can go back to the search and assign people to that list. Then click on view list, and I can export all of those emails and put it into my favorite tool. If I go back to search, I can also upgrade my account to premium, and it goes through Stripe, and the entire thing is just built out using Replit. Now, if I have any errors, what I can literally do is just prompt it right here and say, hey, this is the error I'm getting, or I can look in the console and say, this is what's showing up, paste it in here, and it'll figure itself out. And one of the hacks I learned recently was that if you create what is called a channel log, you can literally get Replit to describe the changes it makes so that every new chat you have actually references those changes that it made previously. And so that way you reduce the number of times that these AI tools crash. Now I've got basic experience with development. I know how things work. I know how to build a product. I know how to market, obviously, but I'm not really a full stack developer. I couldn't sit here right now and write all this out with code. And so because of that, I would say that you don't need to know everything about web development, software development. You don't need to know the ins and outs of JavaScript, TypeScript, all that stuff. You just need to be good at understanding how to prompt these tools correctly, how to work with them. And that can be learned by literally just practicing with these tools. Use ChatGPT, use Claude to help you come up with the right prompts. That's worked for me. And as you can see, I've got a fully functioning SaaS product right here that I've deployed through Replit. And I'm literally going to keep building out this product. I'm going to use Claude to help me figure out how to make it even better. Also, in terms of the design, I literally gave it a screenshot of something I found on Dribbble, and it turned it into that type of style. You can literally do so much with these tools. And over the next 3 months, I'm actually going to go and launch as many startups as I can with these tools. I'm going to use AI as much as possible. I'm going to automate everything and show you guys. Now, if you want to keep up to date with that, follow me on Twitter, which you'll find in my bio. I'm also going to be doing videos on YouTube with this stuff, but I'll be doing way more updates on Twitter. I'll be doing a couple posts a day. So make sure you go follow me on Twitter. I'm going to be putting loads of posts starting from today, and make sure you guys stay along with this journey because I'm going to teach you everything that I learned from building these products. And I'm hoping that with all the knowledge that I've gained over marketing over the last 9 years, I can quickly scale some of these products and turn them into cash cows and literally show you guys how I'm doing it.